My back still had reps left, but my grip kept giving out first. Then I started using lifting straps, and people told me I was making my grip weaker. So are straps actually hurting your grip, or are they helping you build a better back? This is one of those fitness topics where people have strong opinions. Never use straps or your grip will become weak. Other people may say, use straps if you really want to grow your back. And the truth is, both sides have a point. Some people are using straps wrong, and some people are avoiding straps for the wrong reasons. For me, I noticed it mostly on rows, pull downs, and sometimes deadlifts. I will be doing a hard set, and my upper back and lats still had more, but my fingers will start opening up. My grip will fail before my back did. So I had to choose end the set early because my hands were tired, or use straps so my back actually reaches failure. But I didn't want to become dependent on straps either, so I had to figure out when they actually made sense. Problem is when people use straps for every single workout, every single pull-in exercise, every set, they'll even use them on their warm-up sets. They're a tool, and like any tool, they're useful when you do them at the right time. Here's a simple rule. I usually do my first working set without straps. That just helps me train my grip naturally and see if my grip is holding me back. For example, I might do my first set of pull downs with straps, then on the heavier set or the final set where I'm really trying to push my lats, I'll use straps. Same idea with rows. If I'm doing a row for back growth, I want my back to be the reason the set ends, not my hands. But for lighter work, warm up sets, and movements where grip is part of the goal, I'll go strapless. And if you're worried about getting weaker, the answer isn't to avoid straps completely. The answer is to train your grip on purpose. Keep some of your pulling work strapless. Hold heavy weight at the end of every workout. Do dead hangs, carry heavy weight. Even doing back exercises without straps for a time will build your grip over time. You don't need to make grip training complicated, you just need not to ignore it. A few simple things that work: farmer's carries, dead hangs, heavy holds, and doing some rolls or pull downs without straps. You can use straps to push your back harder while still building a strong grip. It doesn't have to be one or the other. So, is lifting straps bad for your grip? I'll say no, not if you use them in a smart way. If lifting straps make you train your back harder when your grip is fatigued, I'll say they're a great tool for you. My advice, if you're a beginner, start strapless. Start doing dumbbell rows without straps, pull downs without straps, just so you could gain some grip strength. But if you've been going to the gym for a couple years and you're strong, but you want to get stronger, and you notice that your grip is the limiting factor on a back exercise, then use straps. Straps aren't cheating, they're just a tool. Use them to make your back training better, not to avoid building grip strength. Do you use straps for back training or do you train everything strapless?